All right, let's talk about how to actually pass the CPA exam. So here's the deal. There's no one-size-fits-all plan, but there are strategies that work again and again. So my first tip is to know the exam. And yes, I know this sounds obvious, but a lot of people dive in without really understanding the structure. So you want to take time to learn how each section is scored, the balance between multiple choice and simulations, and which areas are heavier in analysis. When you know the format, you stop wasting energy guessing and you spend more time actually studying. So tip 2 is to pick the right review course. And I don't just mean the most popular one on Reddit. You want to pick the course you'll actually use. I knew a candidate who hated watching long lectures, but they signed up for a course that was really video heavy. I knew somebody else who was in the car all of the time and they would have really benefited from a course that had audio, but they didn't choose that one. So you need to try out the programs. Most have free trials and it's like test driving before you buy. I like Becker for some candidates and Gleim for others, and it truly is personal. Tip 3 is to learn from people who've done it. I've seen candidates succeed by doing things like tackling the multiple choice questions before lectures, setting micro goals for the day, or scheduling one section of review right after work. The lesson: borrow what works, but adjust it to fit your style. 4th, keep your life balanced. And I know this is easier said than done. Studying for the CPA exam is a lifestyle shift, but it doesn't mean cutting out all fun. Build in breaks, schedule one non-negotiable thing each week, like dinner with your friends, gym time, whatever helps you feel sane. Balance prevents burnout. And finally, number 5, audit your distractions. Here's one I don't hear often enough. Notice what's pulling you away. Is it your phone? Is it Netflix? Is it hanging out with friends and family? Make a plan for it. Put your phone in another room, batch your chores, use apps that block social media. Half the battle is really just protecting your study time. And don't forget to practice the exam vibe. So 2 weeks before, do a time test at the same time of day as your real exam. You'll want to sit in silence, no phone, just you and the questions. Train your brain for the exam environment, and this makes the test day feel way less intimidating. Bottom line, passing the exam is not about grinding out endless hours. It's about studying smart and staying consistent and protecting your focus. And if you want a full list of tips, including the best ones from people who've already passed, check out the article in the description.